Want to walk through some ideas that we have in terms of how to efficiently build greenhouses. And one important piece of that is to efficiently and cost effectively build your hoops. The hoops are what's going to support your greenhouse structure, so consistency is important. Here we have a backstop to keep things all consistent in terms of the overall length, and we have guides that are adjustable, that are flexible, so that as that tube comes down over this fixture that we built, it can easily slide into the bending radius that's being applied. The winch gives us maximum flexibility in terms of controlling both the speed and the duration at which that we are bending the tube to. And as that winch builds up the cable, one thing to watch for is to ensure that the cable doesn't create too big of a radius that limits your ability to apply force to this tube. So as that thing builds up, you need to push over just a little bit, particularly toward the end of the build, where you're actually applying the force the most. And as you pull it down, maintain a consistent location to which you can bend to, and that way all your hoops are going to remain identical. This particular apparatus was built with just scrap steel that we screwed with self-driving screws right into the side of this Connex box. So it was very inexpensive. The total outlay of cash on this, minus the Connex box, was about $120, very inexpensive overall. One thing that we found is that you can use a size less than your tube, one nominal size less, to fit as an insert into the hoop halves and make connections. So what we have here is a Harbor Freight press that we set on a scrap table that was in a junkyard that we were able to apply force to bend these 14-inch, 14-gauge, 1 9/16 inch diameter tubes to about a 20 to 25 degree angle. And what that does is it gives us the ability to connect those half tubes and make a full hoop for a truss on a greenhouse. We can do that very inexpensively, and as shown here, it's fairly easy. There's not a lot of strength involved. You can actually do this effectively. These particular tubes then can be connected to half of a hoop, so one of the half hoops. And you can do that before you go to the field to be able to build your greenhouse. And that way it's all prepped up and ready to go, and you don't have to struggle in field to make things happen. The same principle for these top truss connectors applied to your swaged end bottoms. Instead of buying a $6,000 swaging tool, you can use this principle of inserting these to connect your hoops. Also, we use strictly solar power, making things very efficient. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.